Okay.
So, yeah, Bobby. You're beautiful. There you go. Oopsie doops. Lift this up. Oops. He's not daft, he's seen it. He knows. Oh, there you go, beautiful.
Oh, that's better. A bit brighter there. Say all mine.
All mine. All mine. All mine. All mine. All mine. Come on then. Oops. There you go.
Keep more a minute.
Oh, my arms.
Yeah, mine too.
Here we go. Oh, this is fun. Oh, there we go. Oh, 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 oh. Why'd you do that, Bobby? Hey? That's funny when he laughs. Oh dear. He's a good boy. Can't actually believe I've got
Hey?
I can't actually believe I've got my hand near in a budgie cage. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, I think he's seen the light.
No, he hasn't.
Oh, my hand's lifting now. I need to put that down. There you go. Oh. Yeah, I know.
Try and stroke him.
Oh, it's quite bright, the light. That's why I don't.
Try and stroke him on his chest.
Come on, you back my fingers.
I won't.
Actually, you will. Come on then.
Just with the knuckle like.
Oh, oopsie.
Oh, he's got on your hand now.
Yeah.
Look, Graham, he went on there. Oh, do it again.
Ooh, good boy. Oopsie doops. There you go. Oh.
Oh, look, Graham, he's going on there. He's testing you.
So. Oh,
Keep
sorry.
doing that.
Oh, I wanted to put my hand back there.
Oh, look. He must like you.
Hey, Bobby. Keep up.
Ah, look at
Looks
that.
like I'm a bridge.
Ah.
Oh, you know. Can't believe I've let a budgie actually sit on my.
Well, you don't usually.
No, I don't like. I'm not keen on the feet.
Oh, you're not?
So, no. No. Come on then.
He knows you're not going to hurt him.
A bit longer this time.
Now put your arm out, away from the cage, see if you go on it.
Come on then. I think you can see that red light.
Yeah.
Come on, Bobby. Come on. Yeah. got good eyesight in the dark. No.
Put your hand there and then.
Come on, puppy. Yeah, he's thinking about it, look. Come on, puppy. No, it's starting not
Yeah,
to.
my arm's aching now.
Okay, you switch it off at the top.